Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. Stock number 28334T. This one is black in color. Does have the color match fender flares on the Rubicon. Heat reduction hood. We have the color matched heavy duty front bumper here with the LED light bar in the center. Synthetic rope winch tucked real nice right behind your bumper. These red tow hooks. Black 18-inch painted wheels, 35-inch tires. The heat reduction fenders. Pairs real nice with the heat reduction hood. Got these newer N-FAB running boards here. These are all aluminum. Probably frees up a couple pounds of weight. Inside here, looks like we got the red piping in the doors, power locks and mirrors, as well as power windows. Now, something to keep in mind on these Jeeps, all the doors and the top are removable. The top comes off in 3 pieces, the front half, and then there's this L-shaped back half, making it real nice for you in the summertime. The two-tone dash, it's like a matte red, if you will. Uconnect radio allows you to do things like your satellite radio, your backup camera, climate control, things of that nature. You also got your hard buttons for those here as well. This one has heated steering wheel and heated seats. These Rubicons are really nice. Little media center here, got some auxiliary ports. Something really cool that Jeep did is they put 4 factory auxiliary ports in here. So if you want to add some lights or whatever, there's your spot. Front and rear disconnecting sway bar and locking differential. Up here on the steering wheel, it's got premium leather with red piping here in the steering wheel. They did that. They did a real good job of that red. It's even in the seats. We got the premium leather seats with the Rubicon emblem on there. They just got that red stitching everywhere. It's the little details that matter on these high-end vehicles. Anyway, back to the steering wheel. We got cruise control, your hands-free options, and then these buttons here are to control different options up here in the gauge cluster. Now on the back side of the steering wheel, we have these buttons on each side. One's for, you know, things like presets and your volume control. Take a look in the back. Pretty spacious back seat. Got the speakers up here in the ceiling. The roof, I should say, sorry. Power windows. 4 more auxiliary options, plus a 115. So if you want to just plug your phone straight in there, or whatever you want to charge. Now these back seats do fold down. So if you feel like if you're going on some kind of adventure and you don't have enough space back there, or even for groceries, just have a peace of mind and knowing you got more room to go. We do have the color matched heavy duty rear bumper with the red tow hook, and this one also has a hitch kit on it. We have the color matched, the matching spare tire. Take a look in the back here. We got plenty of cargo room. This also has the premium sound Alpine subwoofer. In the back here, you got plenty of storage, places for your hinge bolts, roof bolts, and your windshield. Flowmaster muffler tip. Rocky Ridge does a really nice job on these Jeeps. Again, we're looking at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, stock number 28334T. I'm Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.